Listen, she is giving luxury yet affordable quality. Look at this curl. Ugh, I live and I'm in love. Listen, the link to this wig is down in the description box. Luvme Hair times Love Sharon Pratt. It doesn't get any better. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm sharing with you a gorgeous, thick, full, voluminous, deep wave headband wig by Luvme Hair. To everyone who's already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. For those of you that are brand new, hey love, hey, my name is Sharon and I focus on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. So if that's what you're looking for, if that's what you're into, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, for the best relaxed hair tricks and tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So first, you want to subscribe, and second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe, and click it. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on IG. Listen, I have been killing Instagram these days. Like, I have stepped up my game several notches. I'm like, so make sure you show your girl some love and go ahead and follow me at Love Sharon Pratt on IG. Okay, so first I want to start off by thanking Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. So shout out to you, Luvme Hair. I mean, it's a match made in heaven. Luvme Hair, Love Sharon Pratt. We're giving you all the love and looks right here to get you right, to have you looking good and feeling good. You get 20% off when you use Love Sharon. So use Love Sharon, L-U-V Sharon, for 20% off. So make sure you use that code, and I'm excited about it. I mean, I love a discount code. I know you love a discount code. We all. Okay, so let's get into this wig review. So the wig came in this gorgeous Luvme Hair box. I mean, look at this packaging, y'all. Like, this is some good quality packaging. Like, I love it. A1 packaging. Everything has Luvme Hair on it. So I got a total of 5 headbands with the wig, 2 pinkish color headbands, a red, a orange, and also a black headband. A wig cap. You can never have too many wig caps. Now you also get an instructional on how to care for your wig. In the instructional, it teaches you and tells you how to take care of your wig, the return policy and refund policy. In the Luvme pouch, there are so many free gifts that come with your wig. Black bobby pins, as well as a black elastic band, a satin scarf that says Luvme Hair on it, a silver crystal Luvme Hair clip, so I can't wait to wear this clip, an edge brush, which is so needed. I even got tweezers that have Luvme Hair on it. And then look at this wig. The wig is in this beautiful sheer satin pouch. Luxury. If this isn't luxury, I don't know what is. And it's affordable. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. I just took it out, put it on my wig cap, and this is what she's looking like. The curls are beautiful. They're super defined. I'm going to wash her, let her air dry, and then I'm going to put her on for you. So this is her right here. She is so pretty, so beautiful. Look at those curls. So let's give a hand clap to the wig. I am going to put the wig on. Usually I don't do baby hairs, but I thought maybe I should do something extra for you guys. So I'm going to do my baby hairs. Of course, if you're in a rush, you don't have to do baby hairs. You could just brush your hair back and you're good to go. You wear the wig as is. And for real, I don't really know how to do baby hairs. I just figured it out. If you haven't seen my video on the tattoo baby hairs, go ahead and check it out. That video made me want to try baby hairs. Check it out. It's funny. It's hilarious. Okay, so this part is weird. Let's redo this part. Okay. Let's go, Sharon. Hey, let's go, Sharon. Sometimes you gotta hype yourself up. Not sometimes, all the time. Because if you don't, who will? So we have the baby hairs done. So I hope you love them. I did them just for you. So let's get into the construction of this wig before we put her on. So she has 4 combs in total, 1 in the front, 2 on the sides, and 1 on the back. It also has a headband. So you know this is a headband wig. To secure the headband, there's Velcro, so you put it together and it sticks, obviously, and your wig will be secure. That's it. Simple construction. It's kind of like a half wig, but with the headband attached to it. You guys can braid your hair if you want to. You can just put a stocking cap on if you want to. But I'm going to do a little ponytail. Now it's that time. It's that moment to put on this Luvme Hair affordable headband wig, 22 inches, deep wave, lovely hair. I mean, she real cute. So let's put her on. So I'm going to secure the headband with the Velcro. Okay. Okay. Very cute. So we have to put our combs in. And she is on, nice and snug and secure. I'm going to fold the headband because I feel like sometimes it's too much headband and I would like to show more of my hair line and just hair. I think it looks more natural to me. So she is all set. Look at this texture. Look at, it's so pretty. I feel so pretty. This hair feels so nice and soft. This deep wave texture is definitely my favorite texture. It kind of gives you like a little kink, but it's not kinky. Don't get me wrong, it's not kinky at all. It's silky, but it gives you a more fuller curl, if that makes sense. Like if you comb her out, she's gonna get big. But I wanted a more defined look today. I left some conditioner in the hair as a styler, so my curls will be defined. I am in love. So let's try on a headband, and I'm going to go with this color because it goes with my robe. It's a perfect match. So let's try this headband out. She is super cute with this pink headband. So adorable. Let's try on all of the headbands so you can just get a feel. It might not go with my robe, but you know, we're going to try them on. Okay, lovies, so I think we all can agree this hair is a 10. She's a 10. A 10. Y'all remember that song? 2 thumbs ups, 5 stars, perfect hair. Okay, so I also want to talk about the wig itself. So I did wash the wig. I always wash my wigs before I put them on my head. No reason, just hygiene purposes. I like for my hair or anything I'm putting on my body to be clean before I put it on. And I washed the hair, and then I put the conditioner in, and I got a paddle brush and I went to brushing. And the curls, oh, I just love to look at or watch videos with curly hair and it's wet with conditioner and a paddle brush and they're just brushing their hair. Thumbs up, let me know if you're feeling that as well, if you like to watch that. I know I do, so roll the clip. So I'm paddle brushing the hair. The curls are clumping together, they're juicy. I know this wig is going to be amazing. The curls are going to be popping. As I was brushing the wig, I did notice some shedding. Not a lot, very little shedding, just a couple of strands, but the hair did shed. And that's to be expected, especially with curly hair. I noticed that curly hair tends to shed more. When I was conditioning my hair and brushing the hair with the paddle brush, no resistance, no tangling. So let's talk about smell. There was no smell with the wig. I mean, it did smell, but it smells like your typical hair. If you get hair from any vendor, from a company, they all have a similar smell. If you know the smell, you know what I'm talking about. But it has that smell, not horrible. When I washed the hair, it did go away. So that's just a tip. Just go ahead and condition your hair. Okay, so let's talk about pricing. So for this exact wig, the deep wave headband wig in 22 inches, it is $219.90. So $219.90 for this wig. Is that a reasonable price? Is it worth the money? Yes, it is definitely worth the money. The hair itself, like I said, is super soft. It feels amazing. I mean, look at this density. This is a lot of hair, and this long. She is 22 inches, so she is super long, true to length for sure. This hair is long, so it's curly, so of course it looks shorter. But look at this hair stretched. The length, the density, the quality of this hair is amazing. So yes, definitely worth it, hands down. And let's not forget about all the things that come with this wig, like y'all, 5 headbands, tweezers, the elastic band, bobby pins, a wig cap. The packaging is for sure worth it. Pretty much you pay for what you get, and this hair is worth every penny. Quality. Can we say it together? Quality. So more reasons why I love this wig is that it is beginner friendly. So no matter your experience with wigs, this wig anybody can put on your head. You saw me literally put it on. You just put your head down, put the wig on, flip it back, and you're done. Like, that's it. So the wig is very simple, beginner friendly, anybody could do it. You don't have to use any glue, bobby pins. You don't need anything to secure this wig. You don't have to worry about lace. You don't have to bleach your knots. You don't have to cut any lace off. You don't have to tint the lace. So just the whole installation to install the wig is so much easier, which is why it's beginner friendly. The wig is breathable and it's comfortable. The elastic band is very soft and comfortable. It isn't too tight. I know for me, some wigs cause me to have headaches, but not with this one. It's on my head, it's secure, but it's also comfortable. So along with all of that, you can also style the wig how you want it. You can dress it up, dress it down, depending on your headband, but you can also do a half up, half down, or you could just put it all up in a bun or a ponytail. But there's so many different styles and ways you can wear this headband wig, and that's a plus because we like variety. We like to switch up our looks. I think this is my favorite new go-to style, especially for when you don't have a lot of time to get ready. Like, you can't put on a full lace wig, like you don't have time to flat iron and curl your hair. You just want something you could throw on really quickly and go out the door. This is it for you. But when I say this wig is everything, this is the wig you never thought you needed. You need this wig. You need it. She's giving luxury at an affordable price. Luxury yet affordable. We love this. I absolutely love this wig, and I have nothing bad to say about this wig. Honestly, guys, I am in love with this wig. I just adore it. Like she's so cute. Like, so thanks again to Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video and putting me on to this gorgeous headband deep wave wig. So once again, this is the Luvme Hair affordable deep wave headband wig in 22 inches, and I am so in love. So listen, the link to this wig is down in the description box. Everything you need to know about this wig is down in the description box, as well as my discount code LOVESharon, that's LUV Sharon, for 20% off. So don't forget to use your code and save some money. Comment down below and let me know if you're feeling this headband wig as much as I do. And send your girl pink hearts in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up.